Investing doesn't have to be confusing, intimidating, or reserved for the wealthy. Thanks to modern investment apps, millions of Americans can now manage their money, build wealth, and grow portfolios directly from their smartphones. Whether you want to save for retirement, invest long-term, or actively trade the markets, there's an app designed specifically for your goals and experience level. In this guide, we'll break down the best investment apps in the United States, what makes each one unique, how they compare, and how to choose the right platform for your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have the clarity and confidence to start investing, or upgrade your current strategy, using the best tools available today. Why investment apps changed personal finance. Just a decade ago, investing required opening brokerage accounts, speaking to advisors, reviewing paper statements, and paying high trading commissions. Today, everything has changed. Investment apps transformed finance in 5 major ways. First, accessibility. You can open an account in minutes and start investing with very small amounts of money. Second, low or zero fees. Commission-free trading is now standard, allowing users to buy and sell stocks and ETFs without paying trade fees. Third, fractional shares. You can invest as little as a few dollars in expensive stocks, making diversification accessible to everyone. Fourth, automated investing. Many apps build and manage portfolios for you using algorithms based on your goals and risk tolerance. Fifth, real-time data. Apps now provide charts, market news, analytics, and alerts once available only to professional traders. How to choose the right investment app. With so many platforms available, choosing the right one depends on your personal goals. Ask yourself: are you investing for retirement? Do you want long-term wealth growth? Are you an active trader? Or do you prefer automated investing? Next, check fees. Look for low costs, no hidden charges, and reasonable management fees if you choose robo-advisors. Also review account minimums. Some apps let you start with $0, while others require deposits. Consider investment options. Make sure the platform supports assets you want, such as stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, or retirement accounts. Educational tools matter too, especially for beginners. Platforms with tutorials and research tools help you learn while investing. Finally, prioritize security. Always choose regulated platforms that offer investor protection like SIPC coverage. Top investment apps in the USA. Let's break down the best investment apps available today and what they're best known for. Fidelity, best overall. Fidelity is one of the most trusted investment platforms in the US. It offers commission-free trading, access to multiple asset types, strong research tools, retirement planning features, and no account minimum. This platform is ideal for investors who want a complete, full-service investing experience. Robinhood, best for simple trading. Robinhood made commission-free trading popular. It offers a clean interface, fractional shares, instant deposits, and easy access to stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. It's best suited for beginners and active traders who want simplicity. Acorns, best for beginners. Acorns invests your spare change automatically. Every purchase you make is rounded up and invested into diversified portfolios. This app is perfect for people who want to build investing habits without actively managing investments. Betterment, best robo-advisor. Betterment is designed for hands-off investors. It automatically builds and manages diversified portfolios, offers tax-efficient strategies, and supports goal-based investing. Ideal for long-term investors who prefer automation. Wealthfront, best automated investing tools. Wealthfront combines automated investing with powerful financial planning tools. It offers tax loss harvesting, diversified portfolios, and planning tools for retirement, education, and savings goals. Best for investors who want automation plus smart financial insights. Webull, best for active traders. Webull is built for traders who want advanced charts, indicators, and technical analysis tools. It supports commission-free trading, paper trading, extended market hours, and crypto access. This platform suits intermediate and advanced traders. Charles Schwab, best full-service platform. Schwab combines research, education, retirement planning, and broad investment access. It offers commission-free trading and a strong reputation for reliability. Great for investors seeking a balance of professional tools and simplicity. SoFi Invest, best all-in-one finance app. SoFi combines investing with banking, loans, and financial planning tools. It supports fractional shares, automated portfolios, and advisor access. Best for users who want everything in one financial ecosystem. Vanguard, best for long-term investors. Vanguard is known for low-cost index funds and ETFs. It focuses on long-term investing and retirement planning rather than active trading. Ideal for disciplined investors who want steady growth with minimal fees. Beginner investing tips. If you're new to investing, follow these simple rules. Start small. You don't need large capital to begin. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Understand your risk tolerance. Use educational resources inside the app. And most importantly, monitor your investments periodically, not obsessively. Quick comparison summary. Here's a quick recap. Fidelity is best overall. Robinhood is best for simple trading. Acorns is best for beginners. Betterment and Wealthfront are best for automation. Webull is best for active traders. Schwab and SoFi offer balanced features. Vanguard is best for long-term investors. Final thoughts. There's no single best investment app for everyone. The right platform depends on your goals, experience level, and how involved you want to be in managing your investments. The most important step is simply to start. Invest early. Stay consistent. Keep learning. That's how long-term wealth is built. Disclaimer. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Always conduct your own research or consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions.